Welcome back to Streaming Media West 2018. I'm Tim Siglin, contributing editor with Streaming Media Magazine and the founding executive director of the not-for-profit Help Me Stream. Today I have with me Jon Landman from Teradek. Jon, we've got a product that you had on the show floor, and as I understand, this is actually just coming out?
Yes, we are starting to ship the VidiU Go.
And what exactly is the sort of benefit of the VidiU Go?
Well, let's firstly talk about,
Sure.
how does this feel to you, right?
It feels nice and solid.
Yeah.
It's got a whole bunch of antennas on it, obviously.
Right.
So I'm guessing those antennas are for bonded cellular?
Yes, this is giving us the ability to bond integrated SIMs.
Oh, very nice.
Right, so I have two cellular SIMs integrated.
Okay.
I have wireless integrated.
Okay.
And Ethernet integrated.
Oh, very nice.
Right.
And from a back standpoint, as you say, the Wi-Fi antennas.
Correct.
And then your bonded cellular and the Ethernet.
Yes.
Ethernet is 1 gig?
Yes, and we have the ability to bond both the Ethernet with the Wi-Fi and the cellular.
Oh, nice.
And we can take in any video format, whether that be SDI or HDMI, right?
And is it a 802.11ac?
Yes, it is.
Okay,
yes,
very
it
good.
is.
So if you're bonding together those, you actually get a pretty nice throughput.
Absolutely. This is with our latest chipset that actually does HEVC.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Nice.
and if you go to our website, you'll see some samples of HEVC encoding. I mean, I put up some 0.5 meg, and they look absolutely phenomenal. We've spent a lot of time and a lot of effort in designing something that we feel is ready for the years ahead.
Nice.
Right? It's beautifully designed.
Yeah, really.
Ergonomically designed.
Yep.
It's very, very solid. We've spent a huge amount of time, taking a look at how this whole thing is put together.
Sure.
Right? It flows. It feels good. It's actually, something that we are very, very proud of from an engineering and design point of view.
So is this both a heat sink on the bottom as well as a connection plate to connect to the back of a camera?
Absolutely.
Okay, nice.
Or a stand to put
Or
it
a
next
stand,
to a switcher,
right.
for example.
And obviously with the standoff that you have on here with the heat sink to be able to dissipate heat.
Right.
And then on the front you've got a multi-line display. So here it's got Facebook. I'm assuming it does Facebook, YouTube, other.
We can go virtually to any and every CDN that you can imagine, whether it be Facebook or Periscope. Right. Now, we're going to be rolling this out to send a feed to our core platform, which is our cloud management-based platform.
Okay.
Something that we've just released in the management platform is the ability to take two feeds from two encoders, create one as a primary, one as a backup.
Oh, nice.
And either manually switch between the two, or set one as a true backup that if there is a hiccup in the connection,
the failover
will fail over. Yep. We also have the ability to load up a file. For example, in this stream we were going live to Facebook, but we weren't going live with any pre-roll.
Right.
Right. So now I can load up a file with a pre-roll.
Nice.
Right.
Press the button.
Press the button. Play that.
Okay.
And then live switch over to our live feed.
Nice. Nice.
We've also integrated with some graphics companies, Singular and some others, and we'll be rolling out full graphics packages with the core platform.
And I would assume if you're working with graphics packages, that means you've got alpha channeling and some of that ability
chroma
to do
keying,
overlays,
nice. Green screens, slow-mos, rewinds, all those kinds of things.
So what's the basic price point on this?
So this is starting at around $1,600.
Oh, that's not bad.
$1,590, and then you can add your SIMs, add your modems. We're also going to be shipping these with the SIMs inside that will automatically connect by early next year to both Verizon, T-Mo, and AT&T.
Okay, very
right.
nice.
So the out-of-the-box experience is that it's just going to work.
Okay.
This has been very important for us. You won't have to run down to the AT&T or Verizon store.
Right.
You won't have to sign a contract. It'll ship with the SIMs. You
Nice.
turn it on. We'll probably include a couple of hours of streaming, so you can get going. But our aim is that your out-of-the-box experience is great, right? You want to just get this unit, turn it on, and
Right.
it just works.
Run and gun.
Right.
So these units also attach off the sides?
These are actually removable.
Yeah, I see these little
these
wheels
are little
here.
wheels.
Okay.
We don't have to use cellular.
Right.
But I think that if anyone has done any streaming, we all know and have experienced
Sure.
how there are problems with Ethernet connections.
Right,
You know, whether
right.
a port is closed
Yeah.
or someone cuts the cable, right? So you always have to think about what is your backup.
Right, exactly.
Right? I mean, what are you using as a backup here? Probably nothing.
Right, and
Right.
ultimately that is the issue. And what's interesting is there's a fairly robust cellular signal into this building, which
Right.
is surprising because most venues like this, it gets cut off. But that would be a nice fallback to be able to
Right.
go to. So
Right.
awesome. Well, John, thank you as always for your time. And VidiU Go, when is it shipping?
By the end of the month.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can get yours for your Christmas stocking stuffer if you like. I'm Tim Siglin, and we'll be right back with the next interview.